Welcome back. Today, I'm going to be going over my positives and negatives when it comes to my positive about the covert instruments of ergo comes. They're pretty damn great for the most part. But I can't think of really much saying negative about these things, but on one of them, like the center one, or one of the emblems, why can't they just extend it out a little and make it like for a keyring hook or something? But another negative would be, this isn't a huge deal though, but I find by now I know which ones. On the 4-pin comb, it just says 140, 141. They could have listed 142 and so on. Not a huge deal, but that's just something I think could have been done. On the 4-pin comb conversation. Next with the now about 6-pin combs. They're labeling. Why that's done? Why? You see this? This is a 6271 mastoc. I put it down here. Press it, twist it. Barely any effort involved. And with, it's not really a huge deal, but they could have listed like 142 on the 4-pin or the mastoc M736 or whatever it is. But that's not a huge deal. But my main negative is just that they don't have something like a key ring hole or something like that. Otherwise, I highly recommend these Covert Instruments ergo combs. They run for like $14 or something like that.